Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on last seen on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on the last seen on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app on your phone, and after that guys, after landing on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the start messages, tap on settings, and over here tap on the privacy button available for us just below the account. And over here again guys, you can see the last seen and online option available for us at the top of the screen. Now if you have previously turned it off or disabled it, probably it will be on the nobody section, but if you want to show everyone your last seen status on WhatsApp, then tap on everyone. If you want to show or turn on the last seen in WhatsApp for just your contacts, and just tap on contacts, and here it says the my contacts accept. And if you want everyone on your contact list to know your last seen except somebody, then you can tap on this and choose your contacts whomever you want to. And with that being said, let's go back. That's upon you guys. After choosing it, it will be auto saved. And with that being done guys, this is how to turn on the last seen in WhatsApp. And if you have any questions or confusions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.